Oh no, Anchor, I need someone to come by and check my house right now. My neighbors had foundation repairs done, and now my house is starting to show problems, and I need to know if that's what caused it. So you're probably asking yourself right now, did the press pile company that your neighbors just called in, are they the ones that caused my house to potentially start moving? Why is this happening to me? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I've looked at hundreds, if not thousands of homes here in Bryan College Station over the past couple of years, and I've been in homes that have not had any foundation repair done around them. I've been in houses that have had foundation repair done right next to them, and I've completely seen all different sides of the spectrum here. So while I can't speak for all the contractors in foundation repair, I do know that for the most part here, when press piles are installed, it's not going to be damaging your house. Even if your neighbors live like just a few feet from you, it's not going to be causing your house to have foundational problems. Really, the biggest thing that would be my only area of concern would be if the other contractor here is not being very conscious about drainage. Let's say they bring in more dirt or whatever it may be, and now they're causing your house to have a drainage problem. That's going to be my biggest worry for potential foundational problems on your home. Not so much the piers or press piles, themselves going in, more of them not being conscious about the drainage. What the heck should I do now? The best thing that you can do, especially if you're still feeling very unsure, would be to give us a call. We can talk you through it. Maybe there's some other things, some questions that we might be able to ask you to get more clarification on what's going on in and around your home. So if you're watching this video early and we just recently posted it here on YouTube, it might just mean that we haven't quite gotten the article put in the description yet. If you're looking for that article we typically put in the description. It means we're still working on it. I'm sweeping the shop right now. So we'll get it on there as soon as possible. Look forward to maybe potentially speaking with y'all soon if y'all have some concerns about y'all's neighbor's foundation repair affecting y'all's home.